Because by now you must have understood the case of Harish Rana, wherein the Supreme Court, in its landmark judgment, has given permission for passive euthanasia in the case of Harish Rana. Here's Namaste. Let's understand the dots behind this. So till now, technically and legally in India, euthanasia was not allowed. Now, euthanasia is in Hindi Marathi, it's Ichha Maran. So it was not allowed, though there are two ways globally for euthanasia. One is active. So in terminal ill cases, when families goes to court, when the situation is irreversible and the patient remain terminally ill throughout life and there is no possibility of improvement, family can go to court. This is the global context. So in active euthanasia, a lethal injection, once court approves, the lethal injection can be given to patient and the person, life ends with that injection. In India, that's not allowed. With reference to Aruna Shanbag case, the lady who was working with KM Hospital, the nurse, in this particular case, around a decade before, Supreme Court, Justice Karju and Justice Mishra, they had given guidelines of passive euthanasia in India. There was a plea for applicability of euthanasia in Aruna Shanbag case, but nurse associations opposed it, and this did not, Supreme Court did not allow this. However, in Harish Rana's case, parents went to Delhi High Court. Delhi High Court did not allow their plea, but Supreme Court has given few important contexts in this. Quickly, I'll share this. One is the way we all have right to life. In similar way, in such cases wherein family come with a plea to court and the patient is terminally ill, when medical board says there is no chance of improvement in the health of the patient, in this case, two medical boards confirmed this. And third is the right to die with dignity. The way one has right to life with dignity, in similar way, right to life with dignity. So Supreme Court has allowed that AIIMS, in this case, should support this person with palliative care and slowly, with passive euthanasia, the life support which is given to him, the medical support, the technically medical support which is given to this person can be slowly withdrawn in in a proper Medicare way. So this would be the first case of passive euthanasia in India. Tikam Shekhawat for Newsdotz.